Got a new phone and need to transfer your HSBC UK app with all your banking access? Migrating banking apps can seem tricky, but it's essential for continued mobile banking convenience. In this guide, I'll show you how to smoothly transfer your HSBC UK app to your new device. The process for transferring your HSBC UK app to a new phone typically involves downloading the app again from your new phone's App Store, Google Play Store for Android, Apple App Store for iOS. Do not try to directly transfer the app's data. Once downloaded, open the HSBC UK app on your new phone. You will then need to go through a re-registration or reactivation process. This usually involves entering your digital banking credentials, and the bank will verify your identity. Finally, you might need to use a security device, receive an OTP via SMS to your registered number, or use another verification method to link your new device. Follow all on-screen prompts carefully to ensure secure access to your accounts. And there you have it. Transferring your HSBC UK app to a new phone is a secure process. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.